Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram private. So, making your Instagram account private is one of the easiest ways to control who can see your photos, videos, stories, and reels. Once your account is private, only people you approve as followers can view your content. So, open Instagram app on your Android or iPhone, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three line in the top right corner. Next is to go down to who can see your account and select account privacy. Then from here, turn on the toggle next to private account, just like so, and click switch to private to confirm the action. So if you click this, or if you switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. So no one can reuse your content. So all reels, posts, and stories that previously use your content in features like remixes, sequences, templates, or stickers will all be deleted. If you switch back to a public account within 24 hours, they will be restored. So if you're sure about this, so click switch to private and it's done. So it will prompt you if you want to review your followers. If you want to, just click review followers, or if you want to do it later, just click cancel. So your account is now private and only approved followers can see your posts and profile content. So if you want to switch back to public account, so again, just go to your profile, then click the horizontal line in the top right corner. Then from here, so once you're on settings and activity, scroll down to who can see your content, and again go to account privacy, then turn off private account, just toggle it off, click switch to public to confirm the action, and that's it. So by making your Instagram account private and adjusting your privacy settings, you can better control who interacts with your content and enjoy a more secure experience on the platform. Thank you for watching.